Welcome back. In this specific session, let's summarize what we discussed about update and delete operations. Update statement updates the data in a table. It allows you to change the values in one or more columns of a single row or multiple rows. You can use the delete statement to delete one or more rows from the table, and use the delete statement without a where class to delete all the rows from the table. Use the delete statement with a limit class to delete several rows from the table. One important thing that we should remember when we are using the update and delete queries, we should mention the where clause to delete the specific rows. In any case, if you forget to mention the where clause, it will delete all the data out of the table, or it will update all the rows in the table. So with that said, we will stop for the update and delete summary, and let's move on to the next session. Thank you.